Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute, easy version of Tung 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 Sahur. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's start with a curve at the top. Then let's bring it down on both sides. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the face. Let's start with two curves up and back down for the eyes. And then a curve underneath. Now inside each of the eyes, let's add a circle. And then another circle inside on the top right. Next, on top of each eye, let's add another curve up and back down. And then another one underneath. Now on top of each of the eyes, let's draw a curve for the eyebrows. And then lastly for the face, let's add a small curve underneath for the mouth. And then let's thicken the mouth up slightly like this. And the same for the eyebrows. Now let's move out and let's draw the arms. Let's start on the right side and let's draw two diagonal lines down and out. And then let's bring them both down. Now for the hand, let's add a small bump down for the thumb. And then a larger curve for the rest of the hand. Now top over to the left and let's draw the other arm holding the bat. Let's draw two shorter angles down and out. Then from the top line, let's angle it up. And then at the top, let's draw an oval for the thumb. Now for the next finger, let's draw another small oval on the top left. And then underneath, a bump down and in, and one more. Now let's add the bat by drawing two lines down underneath the hand. And close it off at the bottom with a curve. Now let's finish off the arm by drawing an angle up. Now let's continue drawing the bat on top of the hand. Let's continue each of the lines up and angle them out slightly so it's a little bit bigger at the end. And then close it off at the top with a curve. And that's it for the arms. Lastly, let's move to the bottom and draw the legs. Let's start under the body and let's draw two lines down on the left and the same thing on the right. And then let's angle it down and out underneath each of the lines. Now from the inside, let's draw a curve down and up for the big toes. And then two smaller bumps to close off the feet. And that's it for this Brainrot animal. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!